Table of content. Introduction. 3. Successful viral camping. 4. Viral option. 7. Viral video. 9. Viral written material. Introduction. 11. You probably already know that one of the most effective forms of marketing happens to be word of mouth marketing. When someone hears about a product or service from someone they know, it is much more powerful than hearing the same message from the camping company selling the product. After all, the company has a stake in the situation. For many years, word of mouth marketing has been something most companies had to hope for. There was little they could do to actually attract word of mouth other than providing a great product and excellent customer service. Then some smart market realized they could actually ignite this kind marketing on their own. They started out with publicity stunt, but over the years this has in evolved into what we now call viral marketing. In this report, you are going to learn some way you can get viral marketing working for you. Successful viral campaigns. What makes a successful viral marketing campaigns? Why do some marketing pieces go viral and other do not? How can you make sure you one campaigns performs well? There are very common questions regarding viral marketing and there are no easy answer to any of them. It is easy to look at successful campaigns and say, oh well, that campaign was successful because. However, what made the campaign work might not necessarily work for similar campaign. The thing about viral marketing is that you can never full predict how people will react to something. You can spend thousands of dollars on marketing research and still not have truly accurate picture of how people will react to a live campaign in the real world. In true is that even multi-million dollar marketing agency don't always get it right. In reality, most viral campaign never actually go viral at all. They are, they are created for that purpose, but they don't work. All you can do create a campaign that has a good chance to go viral. There are no guarantees. So what typically makes a good viral campaign? Humor. Many successful viral campaigns contain an element of humor of tent revolving around it. Shock value. Many successful campaigns have some shocking or outrageous elements. Uniqueness. For a campaign to a viral, it is usually has to be something people haven't seen before. Value. Sometimes simple offering a truly outrageous deal such as coming good for free or at ridiculous low price enough to get a campaign to go viral. Sympathy. Many viral campaigns include an element of sympathy. For example, commercial for the ASPC so cute animals that have been mistreated. People talk about these viral videos because they are very emotional. While this element exists in the most viral campaign, they are not always enough to cause a campaign to generate buzz. Even when they do, they often don't generate the level of buzz you are hoping for. There have been thousands of funny and unique television commercials that have come out in the last year or so, but only handful of those are truly memorable enough to go viral. It's difficult to separate the success from the failures because at first journalists they all seem to be similar. If a fun commercial is a fun commercial, right? But it is not that simple. Simply being fun is not enough to get people talking. When you are working on a viral campaign, one of the most important things you should realize is that there is no way to guarantee success with viral marketing. It's just not possible. No matter what you do, you are helpless once the campaign is really released. You are at the mercy of the whims of the public. Just understanding that not every viral campaign will succeed. You should make sure to incorporate as many of the elements as you can. But in the end, the public will decide what it likes. Don't give up you or create a campaign that doesn't go viral. Simply try again with a new campaign. Viral opt-ins. One of the best way to use viral marketing is to build an email list. Many people concentration on the spreading viral traffic to their sales page, but it is better idea to send the traffic to Scoot's page in the order to build your list. Let's say you have a product you have just released you and you're trying to build buzz around that product. You should send all of your traffic strategy to the sale page. But what if your people don't buy right way? They might never return and they would be lost forever. However, if you send that traffic to a Squeezy page and offered them so sort of if you join to email list, you could email them several times about your product, encouraging your change to make a sale. Additional, you could market to that person many times over the coming years. Whenever you release a new product or wanted to promote a product as affiliates, you would have your email list to do so. This increases the effectiveness of your viral campaign because it gives you people to market to even if future campaign don't do as well. They become long-term customers. When you build a Scooch page, try to offer users something related to your viral campaign. If your campaign is a funny video of a golfer missing hair swing several times, you might offer a free report about how to improve your golf swing accuracy. Build your favius to speak to the market, make sure it is something they would really appreciate it and make it high quality so they expect that your paid product will be even better. Inside your Fabia, you can put marketing for your paid product. This way, you're marketing to people in your viral video, in your freebie, and your email list as well. Everything you do should be about maximizing the effectiveness for your campaign. Make sure you're marketing your product every change you get and that you're building your list so you can make market to them over and over instead of losing them for viral videos. Perhaps the easiest type of content to get to go viral is video. People just tend to react better to video because not everyone has to capacity to fulfill understanding and comprehend the right word in the same way they understand the video. Videos are also very easy to share. Only quick link is all someone need to send someone to your video and it is easier to convince someone to watch a video that it is to convince them to download written material and read it. Of course, creating viral video can be tricky. Remember, you can't guarantees something with go viral to the extent you would like it to. However, most videos have the potential to bring the traffic, even if they don't go viral in a big way. When creating a video, try to remember these tips. Don't automatically use humor. Not all markets will respond well to humor and it could hurt more than it helps. Try to anticipate what your target customer would be interested in. Hire actor to appear in your video that your target market would identify with. If your target market is a male age 18 to 35, don't hire older women. If your target market is older women, don't hire a 10 age boy. Make sure you don't offend your target market. Many viral campaigns fail because they don't properly anticipate a negative reaction and from their audience. This this is especially true in humor speech which can backfire easily. Be certain to edit to audio and video carefully. Any distracting camera problem, color issue, or audio anomalies can detract from your message. Make sure you deliver your marketing message so many people concentrate on creating a video that will go viral and they actually forget to add their marketing to the video. Don't forget this crucial element. Concentrate on providing a quality video that people will enjoy and the viral elements should take care of itself. Viral written material. While video is usually more effective for viral marketing than writing, this isn't all way to cause. Sometimes good written material and can easily go viral. It depends on your target market and what you offer. I have seen for free book download over half billion times. That some powerful marketing. Not all material will be downloaded this often, but can you see the potential? When creating written material for viral marketing, you need to ensure that you create material people will truly want to read. Don't write about what you want to write about. Write what people want to read. I know that sounds obvious, but you would be surprised how many people fail in this aspect. They write whatever they happen to want to write about without caring what their readers want. Written material is usually educational, how to product or common, as or advice piece. Many people choose to give away a free chapter of their main product, or they write a product that complement their product very well. Let's say your product is a electronic cigarette that help people quit some smoking. You could write a report on way to quit some smoking, including your one product as one of the top method. Then you could offer this is a free report. Some people prefer to keep their free report behind on obtain, which is sometimes a good idea. However, if your viral marketing actually is a free report, this may not work as well. People want to be so quick to tell other about your report if they know the person will have to sign up to your email list to get it. They generally want to tell people about stuff they can get quickly and easily with no hassles. That's that's why video can work so well. If you want to written material to work that well, it might be a good idea to avoid requiring people to obtain. However, you can certainly often Offer an optional opt-in on the page where you give away your report. Offer people your discount on your product as an incentive for sign up. Maybe given them a 7-day email course by autorespond that expand on the content in the report. This will help your content go viral more effectively while still giving you the opportunity to build your list.